We're gonna learn how you can use the OmeTV app on Android. Firstly, just install the app from the Play Store. After the installation of app for the first time, just open it. Once you open the app, you'll get 3 login options: Facebook, Google and BK. You can use any of these 3 options. For this video, I'll use Facebook option. Tap on continue with Facebook. You must be previously logged into Facebook on this Android phone. If you're not previously logged in, it will bring you the Facebook login page first. You're gonna have to log into Facebook and then connect with OmeTV. I was previously logged into Facebook on this Android phone, so I can just continue here. You're gonna have to allow all the permissions here. Allow the app for camera and microphone access. Now finally we're here. Let's go through the basics of this app. Firstly, we have got gender selection option here. Boy, girl. Also you can select the country by tapping on this button here. Scroll down. Let's pick Philippines for now. You can also access the settings of this app by tapping on this gear button at the top right side. Here I've got the option to select the language, rules, policy, etc. You can also log out and delete the profile. Go back. Now before you start the video chat, it's very important that you know the rules of this app. Tap on this rules here. Tap here and it will bring you the rules. Just read it properly. It will just take less than 5 minutes of your time. Also you can check the safety reminder. This will help you to be safe on OmeTV. Now while you're done with this, you can just swipe left on the video chat screen. It will just pair you up with random strangers. Hello. Hi. And to stop the video chat entirely, you can just swipe right on the video chat screen, and whenever you want to continue, you can just swipe left once again. Now the last but not the least, while you're inside the chat, you can send these stickers at the bottom, these pre-made stickers, or you can even send the chat like by tapping on this chat icon here and typing message. It will get sent. So that's how you can use the OmeTV app on Android. Just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.